Hello guys, welcome to your channel, The Study Hub. After long silence, 7 days already elapsed. Sorry for that. I am not in regular touch because I am busy in other works also. Semester exam is going on. I am also busy, and also the term exams of my students. So guys, welcome to your channel, The Study Hub. Today's is the fifth part. Fifth part of the basic concept of chemistry, class 11, chapter 1. And today's discussions will be the concentration of solutions, that is the colligative properties, concentration of solutions, how to find out the concentration of solutions, different methods are there, and if I get any times, so chemical combinations also, if not, the next day. So, bhai log, please subscribe. You are not subscribing. No, somebody is commenting at regular way. Somebody are not in frequent way. So try to comment in your notions, your opinion about the concept which I am explaining to you. So let's start the first chapter, fifth part. Now I am discussing about the colligative property. Colligative property, it will be colligative property or properties and the concentration of solution and concentration of solution. And this will be discussed in later. Vividly I will discuss some of the property of the colligative properties. So what is the colligative property? What you know, the most of the reactions in the laboratory occur, most of the reactions, laboratory से जो reaction हो रहा है, all the reactions involve certain what? Certain law, certain property. It depends upon the concentration of the what? Concentration of the solution. Remind it. And in order to the calculation involving solutions, what is required? We must know about the solution. We must know about the solution and methods of expressing its concentration. Yes, clear? Most of the reactions occurring in the lab carried out in what? In solution. Solution में reaction हो रहा है. In order to calculation involving solution, we must know about solution and methods of expressing its concentration. So first come, what is solution? Solution is, it is a homogeneous mixture. You know, solution. The solution, you know, solution, it is a homogeneous mixture. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. All you know. Homogeneous mixture. Solution में क्या है? Mixture of what? Particular amount of solute and solvent. Homogeneous mixture of particular amount of a given solute in a solvent. That means it is a homogeneous mixture. Solute and solvent. The solute plus solvent, you know, equals to solution. You know, solute is that is the less part in the solution में जो थोड़ा कम है वही है solute, जो ज़्यादा है that is greater in amount is known as solvent and ये मिला के हो गया solution. ये थोड़ा कम, थोड़ा लेस पार्ट, ये थोड़ा मोर पार्ट, ये बिगर है, मोर इन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, मोर इन अमाउंट एंड लेस इन अमाउंट, दोनों मिला के हो गया सोल्यूशन। तो दिस सोल्यूशन का कंसेंट्रेशन क्या होगा? टू फाइंड आउट द कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन, इस सोल्यूशन का कंसेंट्रेशन वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन, दैट डिटरमाइन के लिए थोड़ा प्रोसेस रूल्स है। तो व्हाट इज कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी? कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ा याद करो, द अमाउंट ऑफ ये सॉल्यूट है, सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन द सॉल्यूशन, द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट जो प्रेजेंट हो इन ए गिवन क्वांटिटी, द अमाउंट ऑफ अच्छा उसका पहले व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द कंसेंट्रेशन? या पहले यू हैव टू नो द कंसेंट्रेशन, व्हाट इज कंसेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, उसके बाद आई एम कमिंग कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। द कंसेंट्रेशन हो द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, अमाउंट ऑफ की व्हाट सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट, amount of solute present, yeah, in a given quantity of what? Given quantity of solvent, yeah, amount given quantity of solvent or solution is expressed in terms of solution, in terms of concentration. Again I am telling, the amount of solute present in a given quantity of solvent or solution is expressed in terms of concentration. Clear? Next come to colligative property. Colligative property क्या है? The properties of, it is the properties of solution. It is the properties of solution. Clear? तुम clear? Properties of solution. What? That depends upon the what? Concentration. Depends upon the concentration of solute molecules. Of solute molecules or ions. It depends upon the solute molecules or ions, not upon the identity of the solute. It doesn't depend upon the identity. Colligative property, it depends upon the solute, not the identity. Concentration of the solute presents, not the identity. Colligative property includes, very important thing, it includes, number one, it includes vapor pressure lowering. I will discuss next phase. Vapor pressure lowering. What is vapor pressure lowering? Very important. Boiling point elevations. Boiling point elevation क्या है? That will be discussed later. And freezing point depressions and also osmotic pressures. Okay? These are the things on which colligative property depends. And colligative property depends upon the ratio of number of solute particles to solvent particles. The ratio of solute particles by solvent particles. It depends upon the ratio of solute particles by colligative property. It is the ratio of number of solute particles present in the and per of solution. And solute particles present of solution. Particles present in the solution. This is the ratio. Clear? This is the ratio. Solute particles present divided by the particles present in the solution. Clear? Solvent. Yeah, particles to solvent particles. Solvent particles. And solute plus solvent is solution. Solute particles to solvent particles. Solute particles to solvent particles. It will be solvent particles. Yeah, it is solvent particles. Solvent particles. Okay. Next, I am coming the concentration. How to express the concentration? Okay. So, how to express the concentration of solutions? There are so many methods to express the concentration of solutions. What you know, how to express your distance, express your weight, length, etc. So, in terms of concentration, you have to express how to express the concentration of a solution. There are so many processes are there. One is the mass percentage, weight by weight, weight by volume, mole fractions, molarity, molality, anomality, formality. सब है. Mass percentage, mole fractions, molarity हो जाएगा तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ये दोनों के चलेगा तो नहीं चलेगा तो कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यू हैव टू नो तो व्हाट इज मास परसेंटेज। मास परसेंटेज देखो, ये जो वर्ड है वहाँ से डेफिनेशन आ जाएगा। मास परसेंटेज, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट टोटल मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इंटू 100। तो मास परसेंटेज क्या है? द नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट्स in gram, number of solute in gram presents in 100 gram of solution, in 100 gram of solution. So mass percentage equals to number of solute presents, number of solute gram by total number of solution gram into 100. See here? Huh? Is it clear? Number of solute in gram and total number of solution. Number of mass of solute. Why? That mass percent. So it will be mass of solute and mass of solution. What I told, the mass percent, so don't write it. Okay, that is number of, no, total number, mass, as it is the most of the students mistakes is out here. So this is, you have to write the mass of solute, mass percent, W by W and W by B I am coming. So it is the amount of mass, amount of solute in gram present in 100 gram of what? Solution. 100 gram of solution. So the mass of solution, mass of solute. Okay? Mass of solute in gram, mass of solution in gram into 100. If the mass of solute, you can write WA. Solution का अंदर क्या है? Solvent and solute. तो WA the solute है. WB is the solvent. The WA by WA plus WB into 100. This is the mass percentage. Weight of mass of solute is WA, right out here, and mass of solvent equals to WB. The solvent means solution का मतलब solute plus solvent. तो mass W by W percentage. W by W. Okay, you can convert also volume of A and volume of A plus B into 100. In terms of volume percentage, which is mass percentage, you can also volume percentage write. So volume of A, volume of solution means A plus B. That means volume of A plus volume of B into 100. This is the volume percentage. Yeah, volume of A, total volume of the solution into 100. Clear? Then you also clear one thing also you can write ppm also you can write. If you write in ppm out here, ppm, first now I am discussing ppm also there. If you out here 7 point ppm, ppm also important for the expressing the concentration of solution. It is very important, so I am doing this time. ppm means parts per million. जब कोई solution के अंदर solute का परिमाण, that is the amount of solute too much less, बहुत ही कम है, too less, minute, in that case we use ppm, parts per million. ppm का अर्थ क्या है? It is the amount of, what is ppm? Parts per million का million क्या है? 10 to the 6. The parts per million, when solute is present very small, the concentration is expressed in ppm. The ppm का मतलब mass of component of anything, A or B or C, whatever you can. The mass of the component by total mass of solution. The mass of ppm, mass of component total mass of solution into 10 to the power 6. This is the ppm of any solute. Suppose ppm of A. So mass of component A equals to mass of component A total mass of solution into 10 to the power 6. Clear है भाइयों? mass of component A total mass of solution 10 to the power 6. Clear है? Clear? नहीं कि नहीं? Clear है? That is mass of component A total mass of solution into 10 to the power 6 parts per million. Clear? If a sum is given, the mass of a solute is 15 ppm. What does it mean? क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन हमको देखना है. देखो क्वेश्चन है, सपोज खुल गया. अच्छा हो गया. साउंड ठीक है तो टंग टंग टंग. अच्छा, if a question comes 10% W by W NaCl solution, but regard solution of any solutions. What do you mean by 10% NaCl? 10% NaCl solution. 10% NaCl, 10% W by W NaCl. इसका अर्थ क्या है? 10% W by W NaCl or solution of NaCl. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 10% W by W solution of NaCl का मतलब क्या है? It means 10 gram of salt, that is NaCl, is present in 90 gram of water, and total mass of the solution be 100. The 10 gram of solute present in 90 gram of water solvent. 10% W by W solution of NaCl का मतलब means 10 gram of NaCl dissolved present in 90 gram of solvent, that is water, and total mass of the solution be 10 plus 90, 100. Clear? Question आएगा. Okay? And again 10% W by V of NaCl का मतलब क्या है? That means 10 gram solute is dissolved 100 ml of solution. Clear? 100 ml of solution. This is the difference. W by W and volume. 10 gram 100 ml of solution. 10 gram 90 gram of solvent. That is solution. That is solvent. This is the difference. Very important. Get it down. Note it down. Next come. Okay. Let me give another example of ppm. Suppose क्या है? Express 15 ppm in mass percentage. 15 ppm methane gas or chloroform gas in mass percentage. Clear? Anything. So 15 ppm of any gas or anything components, you have to ppm of anything into mass percentage. How? Nothing. 15 ppm equals to light. 15 ppm equals to what? 15 by 10 to the power 6 into 100 mass percentage हो गया. 10 to the power 6 per millions. 1.5 into 10 to the power something, whatever. 1.5 हो जाएगा. 1.5, that means the 10 to the power 5. 20 यहाँ पर है, तो 5 to 3, 10 to the minus 3. Clear? This is the answer. That percent. Clear? Next, Suppose you have to find out the 5 gram of substance added to 15 gram of water. 5 gram of any substance, you have to add 15 gram of any solvent or water. So calculate mass percentage. Calculate mass percentage. 5 gram of substance added to 15 gram of water, you have to find out mass percentage. तो mass percentage formula क्या है? Mass percentage weight by weight ग्राम है. That means WA by WA plus WB into 100. तो WA क्या है? तो WA by WA plus WB into 100 equals to 5 by 5 plus 15 20 into 100 equals to कितना होगा? 25%. 25. Yeah, mass percent of 25%. Clear? Clear? This type of sums may come. Go and practice. Next come mole fraction. Then molarity. Then I will complete. Mole fraction, molarity and molality. Very important, and very easy. What is mole fraction? See, what is mole fraction? Number 2, mole fraction. The mass percent and ppm हो गया mole fraction. What is mole fraction? Mole fraction, it is the number of, it is the ratio, it is the number. It what? It is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to that of the number of moles of solution. The number of moles of particular compounds, total number of moles of solution. The number of moles of a particular molecules, ठीक है, by, ठीक है, total number of, what is mole fraction? Mole fraction, ठीक है. Mole fraction, number of moles of particular molecules, Na, divided by total number of moles of solutions. Solution में कितना जो total moles है, it is the ratio of number of moles of particular molecules by total number of moles of a solution. Total number of moles of a solution. Clear? That is, suppose number of particular moles in solution Na and solute be Nb. So in that case, it will be mole fraction of A and B, and number of moles Xa, number of moles Xb, whatever you can tell, number of moles Na of A, number of moles in B, Nb. So if you find out number of moles of A, so Na by Na plus Nb into क्या होगा? इंटू होगा नहीं होगा? क्लियर? तो Na by Na plus Nb. Na plus Nb means solute plus solvent. Total number of moles. Moles of solute plus moles of solvent, that is the total number of moles of solution. In case of number of moles of A, number of moles of A equals to Na by Na plus Nb. In case of B, you can write Nb by Na plus Nb. That is the number of moles. Number of moles of particular molecules means solute. Total number of moles of solution. Solution means solute plus solvent. This is the, you have to find out the number of moles of anything. Okay? Na plus Nb. And one thing you must remember, Xa plus Xb will be 1. In both cases, number of molecules of Xa plus Xb always be 1, not greater than 1. It will plus will be 1. Remind it. Clear? So mole fraction क्या है? Next, now you have to express the next third molarity. What is molarity? Molarity जो है, it is one of the process by which we have to express the concentration of solution. Very important. Molarity, that is expressed capital M. Capital M. The molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute present, in total volume of solution in liter. That means एक लीटर में कितना number of moles of solute present. That is the main thing. 1 liter solution में total number of moles of solute present. That is, molarity equals to number of moles of solute present divided by total volume of solution in liter. एक लीटर में कितना number of moles of solute present? That is the molarity. So what we know, the number of moles of solute Na by total volume, V in liter. If you consider the number of moles, what do you know? Number of moles equals to given by mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass, we know. Clear? Number of moles given mass by molar mass. So number of moles we can write mass of solute by molar mass into volume of solution liter, V in liter. Okay? After this, mole per liter inverse, mole liter inverse. Clear? Mass of solute, molar mass into volume in liter, and this mole per liter. Mole per liter, now gram per liter. What will be answer? Mole per liter. The mole liter inverse. Clear? The molarity. You can also convert the molarity into volume into number of moles, and also molarity and mass. This is given, you can also convert it. The molarity is number of moles of solute in volume of solution in liter. एक लीटर में कितना number of moles of solute present. Clear? And also you can also write molarity equals to, the molarity equals to what? Number of moles per volume you have written out here. Number of moles of solute you have write out here. Number of moles of solute by volume in liter too. So if you find out number of moles of solute, you can write number of moles of solute equals to molarity into volume. Molarity into volume in liter. This is also the formula. Number of moles of solute equals to molarity into volume in liter, MV, liter. Clear? In case of dilution, you can know M1 V1 equals to M2 V2, you know. M1 key, M1 what? M1 is the molarity before dilution. M2 क्या है? Molarity after dilutions. V1 volume before dilution, V2 volume after dilution. But in case of dilution, what we know? M1 V1 equals to M2 V2. So in that case, number of moles of solute M into V. Number of moles before dilution, number of moles after dilution, volume before dilution, volume after dilution. Okay. Next, molarity. So the last part is molality. What is molarity? What I told, number of moles of solute by total number of volume of solution in liter. And what is molality? That is molality L. Molality then means liquid आएगा, solvent आएगा. Number of moles of solute. This is ratio of number of moles of solute by total number of mass of solvent in kg. Molality, it is represented by small m. Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. And what is the molarity? Volume of solution in liter. Number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute, ठीक है, लेकिन ये फर्क है. Mass of solvent in kg. Liti means solvent, liter, liquid. So solvent है. The molality and molarity. So let's check what is the total formula out here. Number of moles, molarity, volume of solutions, mole fractions. So from these solutions, from this formula, you can proceed any sums, to go through the sums. I'll discuss the next day the sums, and also last part of the chapter, most probably the chemical combinations, laws of chemical combinations. Then one extra class will be given, total numerical discussion. So let's good night. My dear students, my प्यारे बच्चों, don't forget to subscribe it, share it, comment it. Okay, so let's draw my end.